In this video, we are going to learn how to use rectangle command in Siemens NX. So let's start. Currently, we are into the sketch module of NX, as you can see on the top. Here written as NX sketch, and we are into the sketcher environment. We can confirm the module from the top, like it is written as NX sketch, and if you are into the modeling, it will be written as NX modeling. So this is how we can confirm. And at the bottom, you can also see that sketch is fully defined because I have drawn nothing into the graphics window. So let's start. Here we have the command of rectangle and the shortcut for rectangle is R. So just click on it. Now here we have three options regarding the rectangle, whether to use 2 points, 3 points or center. Like from center we can draw. And talking about the input mode, we have two modes, coordinate mode and parameter mode. What are these two things? If you want to know about them, you can watch my video on line command in NX. I will attach the link in the I button so that you can reach to that particular video and to have the knowledge about the input mode. Now let's start with the rectangle command. So here we have the 2 points and you can see that this is highlighted as I am into this mode. Like if I just click on this, so it will change its position. So this is how we can switch among these three. I have taken the 2 points. So let's start the 2 point. I am not starting from the origin. Now this is the rectangle with 2 points. Now I'm going to make the rectangle with 3 points. So I'm going to make a rectangle here with the 3 points. 3 points basically are used for the tapered rectangle like here. Now just start from the center. Now I'm going to have a center point here and this is how it is going to be get drawn. Now we have all the three rectangles. Like this is from 2 points, this is from 3 point, and this is from center. Now, if you want to give the dimensions to these rectangles, you just have to click on the line on which you are going to give the dimension. Now this is has to be 120. Hit enter. And this is going to be 250. Now to come out of the dimension editing, just press MB3 or you can say as a scroll bar button. If you want to give the dimension between this line and the vertical axis, just select both of them without holding the control key. This is also going to be 120. And for dragging the dimension, just do the drag and drop of the dimension. Now you can see this rectangle has been blacked out because this is fully defined. And if I just delete them, like if I'm just going to delete them, now you can see the sketch is fully defined. And on zoom out, you can see the dimension is diminishing. Now, how can I repair that? Just go to menu, then go to task, then go to sketch settings. And here we have an option of fixed text height on screen. Just activate it and click on OK. Now you can see if I just zoom out, still these dimensions are going to achieve their height, which is of 3 mm. Like here. So this is how it works. And if we do talk about the rectangle, like we have covered about all the three rectangles. Like if I just go to the center point, just select the origin now. And this is how we can define the center rectangle. Now, what properties does it carry? It will be symmetric about the vertical axis along with the horizontal axis. If I just click here and we'll talk about this. So it will be 125 below of the origin and 125 above of the origin. And if this is going to be as 100, then 50 in the right hand side and 50 in the left hand side. So this is how we can use the rectangle from center. We have covered a lot about the rectangle, like we have covered about the 2 point, 3 point and from center. So this is all in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of this tutorial. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.